Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lisel Sesuka, 26 years old. I am single. I have 4 sisters and I am fifth in the family. I am Catholic. I live in Dardar at Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. I graduated high school at Cabugao National High School. I have 4 years experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. My main duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, marketing, drop and pick up the children from school. I also have 5 months experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 baby. My main duties are taking care of the baby, washing and ironing the clothes, cooking, marketing, and car washing. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am a hardworking and I am willing to learn by heart. Thank you and God bless.